Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about issue regarding your significant location in iOS device. So if you go to setting application, open privacy, open location services, scroll down till the last and find system services. And here if you open that, scroll down a little bit more now and something called as significant location. So if you open this, basically this feature records all the location traveled or visited by you. So wherever you go with your devices, it will record the location basically. So the issue is that after iOS 14.6 update, this feature is not working on many devices. If you see here, okay, there's a error message they are getting, as well as it is not recording any location traveled or visited by you. So if you go to cinema location, you won't find any locations as well as any system records. To find a solution for this, I went to many websites as well as your forums. So here basically I saw that many people are facing the issue and they have common problem just like I discussed in the previous part. So here if you see here, they are having problem with your significant location as well as your optimized battery charging. Okay, so after iOS 14.6 it is an issue faced by many users. So guys, to be honest, till now there is no proven solution on the internet I saw. Okay, I went to many websites, okay, spent much time, okay, for the solution, but there is no solution available which is proven here. But there are some methods or ways we can solve this or we can fix. So guys, one by one I will talking about some solutions. So just try them and let me know in the comment if they work for you or not. So let's start with the first solution. So as basics or as a common solution, okay, just disable and enable the location services. For that, just open settings, go to privacy, and here in location services, just disable and enable it again. Similarly, okay, open system services, okay, so go ahead and open significant locations, and also here also just disable it and enable it. Okay, after doing that, just reboot your device and try this again. So just remember, as a common thing, just disable everything and enable again, right? It's very simple. Talking about second solution, that is your check for update. Go to settings, open general and click on software update. Okay, so if it is a software bug or any iOS update issue, then it will fix it coming update. So just make sure that if there is an update available, first go and update your device with the latest update available. Third solution, we can talk about your resetting the location and privacy settings. So if you see here, go to settings, open general, scroll down till last option and here click on reset. And here if you see here, just tap on reset location and privacy settings. So it will surely reboot everything. Okay, it will get back the settings to default, and any glitch or any bug is there from this location and privacy settings, it will remove and make it to default. So I hope it will fix. Okay, just go ahead and reset your location and privacy settings from your setting application. So now even after resetting your location and privacy settings, if it doesn't work for you, then go ahead and do reset all setting. For that, same open settings, open general, scroll down till the end and open reset, and here just go ahead and click on reset all setting. So here it will completely wipe out all the settings, all the customer settings done by you, and it will take you to default settings. So guys, if there any bug is there in settings, it will surely fix and it might fix the issue as well. So just try resetting all setting because it will not harm anything or it will not remove any data from your device. So just go ahead and try reset all settings. So guys, once you tried all the basic solutions, okay, previous solutions, and still you have the issue, then we'll talk about some actual solution. So here we'll try your restoring your device with iTunes. So here we'll do one thing. First we'll do a backup of your device, then restore it with your iTunes. So for this we require your PC or a laptop with iTunes installed. This is very simple. So first of all, open iTunes in your laptop or PC. Then connect your device with a USB cable to laptop or PC. After doing that, in iTunes, open your device, okay, main menu, okay, main options, and here if you scroll down, find something called as a backup now. So if you click on the backup now, just make sure that you are choosing option on my computer or this computer. So once you do a backup, it will store all the backup file in your local drive. Now once backup is done, just remove your device and reconnect it. After reconnecting, just like how you click on backup now click on restore the backup. So it will identify the latest backup file and it will restore your device. So guys, like this it will fix any bug or issue is there with the restoration of backup. So guys, remember here, okay, while doing a backup and restoring, it will not delete any data from your device, but make sure that you are doing backup correctly. Alright, so do a backup correctly and then just go and restore your device. It will not harm your device. So guys, now if you still have the issue on your device, then there are only two options remaining for you. So now first one is your Apple support. For that, you can download the application from the App Store, that is the Apple support. Okay, open the application. Okay, click on any issue. Okay, there are many categories. Okay, open the application, choose your category like your privacy. Okay, so here the best thing is that you can chat with the real person in real time and you can tell them the issue faced by you on your device, right? So here it will get answered in real time quickly, and if they are aware about the issue, okay, they will give a solution, okay, instantly, or they can raise the issue with their team, right? So guys, after Apple support application, now comes the next application, that is your Twitter. So if you're using Twitter application, just open the Twitter and just tweet them @Apple support. So here you can talk to them, okay, you can tell them the issue, okay, they will personally DM you and you can tell them the issue faced by you, or you can share the media like a screenshot or all the issues faced by you. So they will guide you there also. These two things will get you instant reply or instant support from the Apple support team, that is your Apple support application as well as your Twitter. Okay, both way they are very active for solving the issues. So guys, here let's assume that still now you tried all the solution and it did not fix the issue on your device. So now I will request you to wait till next iOS update. Okay, update your device and then it might fix the issue as well. Okay, if you don't want to wait until next iOS update, then you can try resetting your iPhone. That means it will completely wipe out all the data, okay, all the settings, everything from your device, and you get a completely new iPhone. So guys, just make sure that if you're trying to do reset your device or reset your iPhone, just do a backup of your photos, okay, all the media files, and about your contacts or your messages or settings, just do a iCloud backup. Okay, after doing iCloud backup and you're backing up media files to a computer, okay, then you can just go ahead and do a hard reset or a resetting your iPhone. That is done by going to setting application, open general, scroll down till the end and click on reset, and in reset just click on erase all content and settings. So it will wipe out complete data from your device and you will get a completely new iPhone. So basically this will wipe out your iPhone and get you the default settings on your device. So guys, here I hope that you don't have to try these settings or this option, that is your resetting your device. I hope the earlier one will work for you. And guys, if anyone works for you, any solution works for you, just comment below and let me know. I will recommend you to wait until next iOS update, it might fix the issue. So guys, until then, if it was a helpful video for you, just give a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone customization and iOS solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.